You gonna ride your bike? Pierce, that is the coolest. Way to go, bud. Way to ride that bike, man. All right. This is Pierce, day one on his Strider bike, the pedalless bicycle. So proud of you, Pierce. Look at me. You look cool, bud. You riding your bike? That's good. Go, 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 go. Yeah, wear your helmet down like this. There you go. All right. Good job. Way to go, Pierce. Good job, man. Way to go, Pierce. Woo! Right on, bud. Good job, Pierce. You riding your bike? You gonna ride in the street? All right, let's go. Yeah, you can ride in the street. As long as you're with Daddy, you can ride your bike in the street. Yeah. Yeah, you are. Got his Lightning McQueen helmet. Okay, going down hills, you gotta be careful, okay? Let me see, Mommy. You gonna go down? Okay, going down hills, you gotta be careful, okay? You're doing so good, man.
You are doing good.
So proud of you, bud. Good job. All right.
I'm coming.
Let's go. Let's go this way. You go this way? Let's go this way. Good job, dear. Whoa. Good ball. All right, man. Couple more big bumps. Yeah, Pierce. Way to go. Yay, Pierce. Woo, woo. Whoop, whoop. Way to go, Pierce. Go this way.
Come on, Mom. It's good, Mom.
Proud of you, Pierce. He's already trying to balance on this thing. You see him? That's all that side to side. I'm so proud of you, dude. Good job, Pierce.